Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be making this wonderful juice recipe that may help you in flushing out toxins. So right now we have frozen cucumbers, we have mint. I got a handful of mint leaves from the garden. We have lemon. This is a lemon wedge. We also have our ginger right here, nutmeg, ice, and a glass of water. So I'll be using about 1 to 2 glasses of water. It all depends on the thickness you would like. If you like it to be watery, feel free to add in some more glasses of water. But if you want your juice to be watery, add in more water. But if you would like it to be thick, feel free to add in less water. Just use a glass. Now, cucumber is very rich, and it's rich in water and a lot of vitamins and minerals. Mint, we all know mint is lovely, has a lot of benefits as well. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. And we also have our ginger, which is anti-inflammatory. In fact, me talking on the benefits of all this, this might actually take me, extend the video to hours. But I have an assignment for you. I want you to go look out the benefits of cucumbers, lemon, ginger, and mint. And if you just look at the benefits, you'll be convinced to actually try this. So now let's get to business. Bring this in. And we're just going to plug this in. Yep. So first and foremost, we're going to begin with adding you can add it in any particular order you like, but I'd like to add in the thick items first, which is our cucumber, guys. Let me know in the comments, other than making juices, what else do you do with cucumber? So we have our lemon wedge here. The lemon is based on your personal preference. You could add in a whole lemon, or I just added a little wedge, but you can add in a whole lemon if you like to. And we have our ginger right here. Just gonna add this in here, and mint. Now why I love mint is that it's gonna give us a minty flavor. Now comment below if you've ever had, or if you do like mint ice cream. I know some persons like it, some don't, all based on your personal preference. And now we have our nutmeg. Nutmeg is actually not compulsory. If you'd like to add it, feel free. If not, who cares? So we have our ice, a glass of water, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the consistency at the end. If I realize that I need more, it's too thick, I'll definitely add in some water. So let's go right now and blend this. Smells so I highly advise everyone to try this out. It's very, very rich. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. If you know anyone who's suffering from hypertension, high blood pressure, who has sugar diabetes, apparently this is like very, very good. Those who have diabetes, those who have hypertension can try it out. It's also perfect for adults and children. And this is going to help, well, it helps to flush out, toxins from your body, and to, ensure you consistently use it. So I'd advise you to refrigerate. As soon as you blend it up, put it in the fridge or the freezer, and take it chilled. Another option, feel free to add sugar if you want to make it a drink, or you can add honey if you would like to get a sweet taste. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care and stay blessed. God bless you.